Ndiamano Isano mancho mulia vieta senikia Ndizi TV nebiro bindengo kwaligania asemesa yamangana maya elindengo manye na area bereka gokolekana korwa chingongo chensi inye chense asitense mochiche mitandao asense ya Facebook na bagotonyara wetra Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sense media YouTube na bagotonyara wetra Ndizi TV News asense moye website na bagotonyara wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke Iretaria ne Fridah Kerubo na sinsemo chibioro kerelio nigotokubwatenere Joshua Auta ikaransa oike elindengo manye asenchera iyo winge chinga kitoroche omorokigwa obeteka Gusii obugima bwaye chinga kichokorobekana kwobo mabwa azimio la umoja William Mayange nigo litkolierero omurobili bwoko moenia ogendete kokolekana ase ekenyorokia basinge iyo tokaimeye ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba ase county ya Nyamira ase abarai ababiri bagwikirana elinde komwa esko yaye yomoelio naboigo omobunge obumachoge chache Alpha Miruka wano nigo abolire abayiboli wesokia ase bunge naboigo kuya CHICHEQUE basari ase abagakubabolya gocha nebibande byabo naboigo kwelikia naboigo ababwatanikorwa ase ekyombegia zizi Afrikiu nigo bachire amo ase okobeka emerobeli emeya ase ESECTOR YECHISEMI sokone kimna aborokiwa ngonyolera balechisemi chibwenete magega yoborire bwinyama umwanchumulie tobasekuske tobasakonyegera ngwira nanda sege kege Kerubo sio elinde ngomanye amange Yakegima umwancho muliyeria gingo chaka kegima nigongo chakera county ya Nyamira asengo kumanyebuna magega iyo morkigoyo mokorwa ase university ya Maseno kasiretie obugima bwaye chinga kichokorobikana kwobo mobwa azimio la umoja nigo litkolierero omurobili bwoko moenia ogendete kokolekana ase ekenyorokia bogisange kikegotoka emeyebunge ya Kitutu Masaba county ya Nyamira abarai nigo baba gwikirana gati yabo omugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simarati naboigo omugavana we county ya Kisumu Anyang'nyong'o naboigo omobunge okitutu Masaba Timothy Bosire Nde intuminigeta senikia Ndizi TV nigotokorwa engora yetu ya bene guchia ase amate ya Nyagusira William kondo mwanchumulia gotigana nayo nigotokande masemo goika ase ebunge ya bomachoge chache asengo kumanyibuna nigo omobunge webunge yo Alpha Miruka wane sokiri bene naboigo kubolia abayiboli wesoke asingencho yo kwenyorera CHICHEQUE basari anigo ayakwana imeyomocho Nairobi asabaga kubolia abayiboli gochane bibande byabo naboigo kwelikia asabaga kwene kimna nigo aberiga kwena na chibasari ochia asensemo yechi college naboigo chi university asekera omwana obetega kwelikia aberiga kwenyorera chibasari echo
unatojo serekesta anchana yoga ende kanisa witie bibe imatenga ntumanya bantu twate bibinge sana patrino muchumbu inata ko bagatebinga na ari kirechi basari chi university tashali colleges paka village polytechnics. In fact, paka school nile mbwate tivete kurukuriamo. Ndato kulika chibeso kuchio the first 50 students bako kando nko bakande fissions basome busa. And intake nigere May this year. One is from Thursday, anyatari holiday ndambe tobeking as from Thursday, Tuesday next week. Na arikire individual checks. Ndigete chicheki pass your ovens siringeli 9. Toto ovens siringeli 10. No mwana obwata abayiboli babere siringe busaba ese universities ngoja chi college chine village polytechnics ndipo Kerubo 6 5 ningangata abantu abana ba apply 4200 bonds pi kiro mwana mwere basali wanda tabacha ku CHICHEQUE as from Tuesday next week no yora ikero ko chatas dewe yaye and then from Tuesday next week ngoji tomande satellite offices mbwate kire ward ne wate obviously CDF dispatch no na yiri chifuno aba yiri form last time kana bata public participation bono nyami bo chitendere intende CDF office wasot sengara liamo alafu machaga basword nyamiobo wiki nyinu gendo ya check yago ile skulu nye banki elindengo konye fisinke lakini yuko ye check tigiri tari yao because na to nyanga karonkuru individual check sabane bali baguchiwe check cy'abantu bande igo nchuine kibande kiyawo identify ngumwana noyo
ababwatani bechisemi korwa ase ekyombe gya zizi afrikiu nigo batwara egeikara litkolia rero ilego kwanera amonchirilio ayaberega kubekwa ase sekta yechisemi magega yoborire bwinyama gokwana imyomucho Nairobi ababwatani abokorwa ase ense ya Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Ghana, Malawi na boigo Sierra Leone nigo baba kubeka emerobili ya bene ilego kinia sekta yechisemi markyo ambe ase wizara YECHISEMI Belio Kipsang nigo abakagotuma ujumbe yae asabaga kwene kibuna nigo omorobero yora chigokonya aboro kigwa ase okumanya gosoma chinga kibali abake.
It is a pleasure to welcome everyone to the Africa Forum for Evidence on Foundational Learning. This is a two-day meeting that we are holding in 6 countries, Sierra Leone, Ghana, Rwanda, Tanzania, Uganda, and Kenya is hosting. Foundational learning, we know, is a key thing. The literacy and numeracy skills that every child needs is a strong foundation to support their learning that comes after. This, we know, is an important thing, not just for Kenya, but globally for all children. This forum is going to address many aspects, among them the reason why we are making such slow progress in getting all the children everywhere to learn at the foundation. By foundation we mean by the time the child is finishing grade 3 in our Kenyan context, to be able to read with fluency and comprehension, so understand what they are reading, and also be able to reason with numbers. We know that we have a big gap in our country. Looking at the latest USAWA agenda report of 2021, only 40% of those children in grade 4 are able to read at grade 3 level. It means that a majority of our children, even with all the effort and improvement and investment, are proceeding to upper primary without the foundational skills.
Ekiombe kia banyagitari ya KMPDU ime kaunti ya Nandi nigo kiagosereire korobekana inse ya matuko 52 gukwana isiko y'nyagitari ya Kapsabet nigo abaraibe kiombe kyo bane kibuna gwetania abanyagitari emeyemo tibanyagwakanwa ase emetienyi 3 kolende nigo babolire serikali ya kaunti ya Nandi koimuke getambukiro kebwenete gose gotigera emeremeyo serikali NNA.
When services are delivered and you sit on a salary, by the mshahara si motivation, mshahara ni haki. Iwapo mfanyikazi amepeana huduma na amepeana huduma zake vizuri, basi mshahara hata si mambo ya kuzungumzia. Mbona tunasimama kuzungumzia mshahara ambao mtu ameshapeana kazi yake? Nandi County, uongozi wa Nandi County, mambo gani tunafanya?
Tunasema hivi, tumekuwa tukijadiliana, tumekuwa kwa makumbi kule tukipiga hiyo mambo ya CBA sasa, tukiongea, lakini wakati umeisha. Wengine wamekataa kuongea, lakini iwapo tutaendelea hivi, sisi kama viongozi wa chama cha madaktari itabidi tuende mgomo.
Omanyakerogo bekiama gya Jubilee ase kaunti ya Kirinyaga Mureithi Kang'ara bononigo agikeire egekora kya banyanyimbo ase ogotigera abariki chingoma chintindi naboigo ko barutera chitiagas chingaki cyokorobekana korwa sebitaseni kolende nigo aganirie omo Inspector General Jafeth Kome koimukia egetambukiro egetindi ase omunyanyimbo oyomo uyorokanite korutera abariki bamangana chiti gas ase chinga kechiri cyokorobekana ime county ya Nairobi.
Let them be free, let them be protected, wacha wafanya kazi yao, let them do their work. Wako na freedom ya kufanya kazi, na kuna askari hata moja is supposed to arrest or to beat a journalist. Hao ni kazi yao wanafanya, na ndio tunajua internationally, locally, hata kwa village tunajua ile mambo inatendeka because of the media and the reporters. Kwa hivyo hata hao ni watu wae protected, wako hata na kandi yao ya kazi, na wanaeleza police, I work with this media, I work with this company. Why arresting? Kwa nini unapiga na unarudia na it is there? So now Inspector General, please, if you don't arrest this police who attacked the journalist before Friday, hata sisi tutajua vile tutafanya.
Aba MCA korwase county ya Kakamega nigo bakorire okorobekana kwa murembe ase bakorera na kugania OBOENE bwoyo mobo oyobeteka gusiria obugima bwaye chinga kiba bwate omusangerekano asensemo ya kwisero nyagosira omoske MALOBA korwase wodi ya Kisa East nigo abetega kubetua omoyo ase abeteka gusiria obugima bwaye ase aba MCA abo baganire obotuki bokorekane asinge nchonigo babere bakwene kibuna abo babete bakomibita omoyo nigo bamanyikaine.
It's very unfortunate kwa sababu vile aliuawa ilikuwa very simple, na huwezi jua kwamba mheshimiwa anaweza uawa hivyo. Aliuawa tu kama kuku ama mbuzi, which is not good. Na hii tunalia kwa sababu hakuwa na security, na si yeye peke yake. Kenya mzima MCS hawana security, na tunalilia serikali kwamba iangalie hapo mahali kwamba security ya MCS ikuwe improved, security ya speakers ikuwe improved, security ya just vile iko kwa na MPs na senators na governors ambao wako na enough security. Let us also have security kwa waheshimiwa wetu. Huyu mheshimiwa aliuawa mbele ya polisi. Polisi walikuwa hapo, OCS alikuwa hapo, lakini alikuwa accosted na hawa vijana na akafanya nini? Akauawa mbele ya polisi. Na baada ya hiyo waliachiliwa wakaenda, hawakushikiwa hapo hapo. Unaona? So hiyo ni uzembe wa hali ya juu ambayo ilidhihirishwa na polisi. Na hiyo ndio maana tunasema lazima hatua ichukuliwe. Lazima hatua ichukuliwe, polisi wote wa Kisero wachukuliwe hatua. Kwa nini waliacha hii maneno ikafanyika vile ilivyo?
Hiyo ni laana, na tunaambia vijana wawachane na mambo ya violence. Wawache viongozi wafanye kazi. Na baada ya miaka 5 kama kiongozi atakuwa amefanya kazi sawa sawa, siasa itaanza. Na tunaambia serikali ichukulie yule mheshimiwa ambaye anatajwa kwa hii maneno hatua kali sana.
Kama MCS wa Kenya mzima, we want security. We want to be provided with security, and we want us to work in harmony.
Chinga kecho aba MCA abo nigo babagwikirana ase ABCNN cy'abanyanyimbo ase omuteneneri bw'abanyanyimbo abagakobaenekeli nigo botukibwa cya kirekegima nabo igo goika OBOENE bochugwikirana ase okwenekibuna nyagosira oberega konyora OBOENE bwaye.
Tumeendelea na uchunguzi wetu na tayari tunaweza kusema tuko 50%, na ningependa kuomba wananchi na mtu yeyote ambaye ako na information yoyote ambaye anaweza kusaidia kukamilisha uchunguzi wetu aje mbele. Tuko na kikosi ambayo tumeweka kule Kisero, wametoka hapa Kakamega, na watakuwa wanatembelea ninyi, na pia kama uko na ujumbe anaweza kuwatembelea pale Kisero ili tuhakikishe kwamba tumemaliza uchunguzi wetu katika muda ambao ni mfupi sana. La tatu ni kwamba ningependa kuomba viongozi wote tushirikiane kudumisha amani ili tuweze kupata uchunguzi kwa njia ambayo ni rahisi. Tuambie wananchi wetu ya kwamba pia wasiofie, waje mbele ili watuweze kupasha habari muhimu ambayo tunahitaji.
Omugavana we kaunti ya Kakamega Fernandes Barasa bonanigo agokeire egetambukiro ky'omuraibense Dr. William Ruto ase okobeka emirobeli ya bene eligotwara ENKWANA n'omuraibe kyamagia ODM Raila Odinga okwana ase eskuru y'abamura ya Butere nigo abagakwene kibuna ikine getambukire ekiya ase okweneki omulembe asense ya Kenya nabo igo kolenda uchumi.
As Kakamega people, we are very proud of the two leaders, and for us what we want to see is a conversation that is open for purposes of restoring some order, because we cannot have development when we have injustice. And that is why I want to applaud the two leaders for showing statesmanship.
Omubunge Omathioya Edwin Mugo nigo boigo aire okoboko chinkwana gati y'omuraibense Dr. William Ruto na boigo Raila Odinga ase okoleta omulembe ase ense ya Kenya. Kolende nigo akanire bororo ase ensemo ya handshake gose ogokwanania ase boigo abagakwene kimna okorobikana tigo koleta maunchiriri andonsi ase ense ya Kenya. Kolende nigo korabe gokoirania ense magega.
For dialogue, because dialogue is good, but dialogue does not mean handshake. I want to assure the people of Mathioya that there is no handshake. The government is already formed, and we know they have discussed and they have agreed that all this process will be brought back to us as parliamentarians, because we are the representatives of the people. The people of Mathioya elected me to represent them in parliament, and you know the role of parliament is legislation, oversight and representation. What I want to assure Kenyans and the people of Mathioya that we are going to do our job to ensure that the commissioners, IBC commissioners, are selected in a bipartisan manner. And this is not the first time it is happening. In 1997 it was done, 2007, 2002, and even now we are doing it. But what we are asking, the solution to this country is not protests or is not maandamano. As Kenyans, we should be able to sit down and have a constructive opposition that can criticize based on policies, but not on destroying people's property in Nairobi or in other places. Most of our businesses, especially from Mount Kenya region, they have been affected in Nairobi. And some of those people, they even voted for Baba.
Mancho murigereria korwa soroboti oroni wanaikire omoelio bwa mangana maya asebire biga kolende ngo sabato basagoskato basakanyegera chikoraga Chinsa ikomi ayona mange no nyara senchira iyo winge nyora asinsemo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagoto nyora witra Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sensemo ya YouTube na bagoto nyora witra Ndizi TV News maga ichikamera soko ene kibuna ebicha na boigo eliogira goikera sore asenchira ya bene nere nyanchama Abigail tobeto kubatenere Joshua Auta asinsemo chibiorokelia na ncheria ne Fridah Kerubo kokoganilia oboligerelia obia.